Hello and welcome back to the Lord Gizmo channel. In today's video, we're excited to present a special episode featuring a unique and inspiring project: the transformation of a traditional Japanese house. Our journey takes us into the world of Takahiro, a dedicated craftsman who shares his experiences on his Aromanch channel. Feel free to check out his channel and consider giving him a follow. Takahiro's adventure isn't just about renovation. It's a narrative of embracing a new lifestyle and culture. He has made a significant move from the urban landscape of Osaka to the architecturally diverse prefecture of Oita on Kyushu Island, Japan. Oita's architectural landscape is a treasure trove of history and modernity. The prefecture is celebrated for its rich heritage, showcasing an elegant mix of traditional and contemporary architectural styles. The historic buildings and temples here are embodiments of classic Japanese architecture, with each design element contributing to their unique and enchanting character. In his renovation project, Takahiro delves into these traditional elements: the practical and light-emitting shoji screens, and the robust wooden construction. Each of these features is not only an embodiment of Japanese culture, but also serves specific functional purposes, blending the old with the new in harmony. Renovating a traditional house in Oita is a task that demands sensitivity and understanding. It's a fine balance between preserving the historical essence and accommodating modern necessities. Meticulous planning is required, considering both the cultural significance of the house and contemporary living requirements. Collaborating with local authorities and historical preservation organizations is crucial to ensure adherence to any renovation regulations and restrictions. Takahiro's project also addresses the environmental challenges posed by Oita's climate and geographical location. The humid subtropical climate and the region's susceptibility to earthquakes necessitate specific structural considerations. Key aspects of the renovation include reinforcing the house against seismic activity, ensuring robust and weather-resistant roofing, and enhancing wall insulation for energy efficiency and climate control. Traditional techniques, such as the Sho Sugiban method for wood preservation and the use of urushi lacquer for a lustrous finish, are testaments to his dedication to authenticity and craftsmanship. Effective ventilation systems are paramount, particularly to manage the high humidity and avert issues like mold growth, which can be particularly harmful to wooden structures. The intricate process of renovation is captured in every step Takahiro takes. From carefully applying the first layers of insulation and paint to selecting and assembling customized furniture, his commitment to preserving Japanese tradition while incorporating modern functionality is evident. If you're fascinated by the artistry of Japanese architecture and the transformative power of renovation, we highly encourage you to visit the Aromanch channel. There, you'll not only discover insightful tips and techniques, but also witness firsthand the meticulous process undertaken by this skilled craftsman. And don't hesitate to share in the comments which aspect of Takahiro's project has captivated you the most.